Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Air Orbital Sander on Amazon. Air Orbital Sanders are power tools that use compressed air to provide a surface finish of the desired quality and smoothness. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand 63 AirRandom Orbit Sander 300G. The second product to make this list from the century-old brand is a high-quality random orbital sander with a 6-inch circular pad. The bigger pad means that it can cover more surface area of the workpiece in one stroke. The Ingersoll Rand 300G's lightweight construction helps to reduce fatigue, especially when used all day every day. Moreover, the 0.2 HP motor promises high-speed rotation of the tool element, resulting in a swirl-free surface finish. Unlike the previous sanders on this list, this product comes with a vacuum-ready dust extraction system. The system has several small holes in the pad surface that will suck the dust particles during operation when connected to an external vacuum. You can connect the vacuum hose to either central or portable vacuum systems. What we like about it: sturdy construction, reasonably priced, swirl-free finish, comes with a dust collection system. What we don't like about it: no speed regulation. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand 311A. The Ingersoll Rand 311A is a heavy-duty sander packed with features that make the user's life much easier. It features a 6-inch circular pad and a 1/4-inch air inlet. To reduce noise during operation, it has a built-in silencer. Moreover, a balanced ball bearing construction ensures vibration dampening, resulting in greater control over the tool, in addition to putting less strain on your wrist. Ingersoll Rand claims that 311A's dual-action technology will help it deliver swirl-free surface finishes. A spring-loaded lever acts as a switch, and a separate knob on the side is used to regulate the speed. The speed control function can reach the maximum speed of 12,000 RPM while consuming 17 cubic feet per minute of air. What we like about it: easy to handle, 1-year warranty, less noise, smooth finish, reasonably priced, ergonomic design. What we don't like about it: absence of dust collection system. Number 3. AirRandom Orbital Sander. Last but not least is the Random Heavy-Duty Air-Geared Orbital Sander. This sander comes with a circular pad that is 8 inches in diameter, the largest of all. Ingersoll Rand has equipped this product with its dual-action motion technology, meaning the pad will not only rotate about the horizontal axis but also vibrate randomly. This movement will result in a clean and swirl-free surface finish. Like the Ingersoll Rand, it features a lever-type ignition switch that is easy to operate. During operation, its 0.25 horsepower motor is suitable for a maximum free speed of just 825 RPM. For increased versatility of operations, it also comes with a variable speed control function. The only major drawback is the absence of a dust extraction system. So if you are inclined to buy it, make sure your work environment does not require this feature. What we like about it: 8-inch pad, lightweight, 2.48 pounds, easy to operate, reasonably priced. What we don't like about it: no dust extraction system. Number 4. 3M Pneumatic Random Orbital Sander. Here's another non-vacuum air random orbital sander manufactured by American multinational conglomerate 3M. The 3M brand is a popular name in car care products, and this sander lives up to that legacy. It features a 6-inch circular pad that comes with disc adhesion capability for ease of operation. The pad is also claimed to absorb certain levels of shock and vibration and prevent it from affecting the user, thus reducing fatigue during prolonged use. It comes with a 0.28 horsepower motor that is good for 10,000 RPM, although it does consume a lot of air in operation. To make the operator's life easier, this sander also comes with extended curved wrist support that provides exceptional comfort and helps maintain control of the tool. What we like about it: sturdy and reliable construction, ergonomic design, low noise and vibration during operation, lightweight, 1.54 pounds, swirl-free surface finish. What we don't like about it. No dust collection system. Number 5. Dynabrade 56815. The Dynabrade 56815 Supreme Sander also has a 5-inch circular pad and it is designed for professional use to provide a soft finish. This product features a powerful 0.28 horsepower setup that is good for a maximum free speed of 12,000 RPM. What we like about it. Ergonomic design. Lightweight tool, 2.04 pounds. Long-lasting. What we don't like about it. Absence of vacuum system. No speed regulation feature. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.